Hello homemade chefs, today we are showing you how to make butter chicken the authentic way. I'm serving it with rice. It's really smothered and creamy dish and you will enjoy it. So let's start cooking. Here I'm going to cut about 2 tomatoes, chop into little cubes. You'll need about 2 medium onions and you will chop that into small pieces as well, cubes as well. We'll need 1 lemon or lime. I don't have lemon, so I'm using lime. Here I have chicken thigh pieces, about half a pound. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, some ginger paste, some garlic paste, some chili powder, some salt to taste, and some mustard oil, and we'll marinate this and set aside. You can mix it by hand or you can use a fork to mix it. You'll put some lime juice in it. Let's marinate this from about 15 to 30 minutes. Has to be marinated well. Here I'll take a tablespoon of oil and some butter and I'll melt the butter into the oil. After the oil is heated, we'll add the chicken and make sure we are not overlapping the chicken, and we'll char it down. We'll get the charred look on the chicken for extra flavor. Now I'm gonna set the chicken aside after it's done. Now in the same pan, you'll put your onions, chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. And you'll kind of mix them together on high heat, and then you'll put some garlic paste and ginger paste into it and some salt and some chili powder, and you'll mix it well until it releases some of the oil. It's kind of like sauteing, and then we'll add some water into it and let it come to a boil. I use some cashews for extra richness, rich gravy. And now we'll cook it further and add some sugar, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and cook it more till it releases oil. We'll blend the gravy in a power blender, and now we are going to strain it with a sieve and make sure all the contents are strained, and then you can run some water through it to strain all of it. Here I added some garam masala to it, and now I'll add the chicken. Mix it together till it's heated, and then I'm gonna use some whipping cream to make it extra creamy and buttery, and then I'm gonna top it with some methi, the fenugreek leaves, dried fenugreek leaves, for richness and flavor. And there you go guys, extra amazingly beautiful butter chicken is ready to be served, and you can serve it with rice, some naan or some paratha. I topped it with more whipping cream for dressing and some cilantro leaves. This is what we call the best butter chicken. I boiled some basmati rice and I'm serving it with rice. Here you can see the close-up view of it. It's very creamy, textureful, and very tender. Now I want you to try this recipe, and do give me a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye my dear homemade chefs.